Good evening, my dear second semester Diploma students in our state. Today I will discuss some important 2 marks type of questions from the chapter after chemistry. These questions now I will discuss. First question is state Horn's rule. According to Horn's rule that pairing of electrons does not take place in the degenerate orbitals of p, d and f subshells until its degenerate orbital is singly filled with electrons of parallel spin. Example, electronic configuration of nitrogen atom as per Horn's rule is nitrogen atomic number is here 7. Electronic configuration rung 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py1. But correct answer is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2p1y, 2pz1. Now, second question is state Heisenberg uncertainty principle. This principle said that it is not possible to measure simultaneously both position and momentum of microscopic particle like electron with absolute accuracy. Here, delta x into delta p greater than or equal to h by 4 pi, where delta x is equal to uncertainty in position of electron, h is equal to Planck's constant, delta p is equal to uncertainty in momentum of electrons. Then, what is the difference between sigma and phi bond? Here, a sigma bond is formed by head-on overlap of SS, SP and PP orbitals along the internuclear axis. But a phi bond is formed by sidewise overlap of p-p orbitals. Number 2, sigma bond is a strong bond since orbitals overlap to a greater extent. But phi bond is a weak bond since the extent of overlap of orbitals is poor. Next question is state and explain Aufbau's principle. According to this principle, the electrons are filed in various orbitals in order of their increasing energies. 1s less than 2s less than 2p less than 3s less than 3p less than 4s less than 3d less than 4p less than 5s less than d less than 5p. Then important I have solved one problem. Calculate molarity of solution containing 2.45 grams of H2SO4 that is sulfuric acid in 0.5 liters. Data given. Small w is equal to mass of solute is equal to 2.45 gram. B is equal to volume of the solution is equal to 0.5 ml that is 1 by 2 into 1000 ml that is 500 ml. We know molecular mass of sulfuric acid is 2 into 1 plus 32 plus 4 into 16 is equal to 2 plus 32 plus 64 is equal to 98. Molarity, that is the formula for molarity. M is equal to small w by V into 1000 by molecular mass of the solute is equal to 2.45 by 500 into 1000 by 98, that is molecular mass of the solute is equal to 0.05 mole L to the inverse. Hence, molarity of the given solution is 0.05 mole L inverse. Then, now next question is write the postulates of Bohr's atomic model. Kindly see your class note. This is the 5 marks type of questions. Next question is state Pauli's exclusion principle. Wolfgang Pauli studied atomic spectra of elements and discovered the principle called Pauli's exclusion principle. According to this principle, no two electrons in an atom can have all the 4 quantum numbers alike. For any 2 electrons, the values of 3 quantum numbers may be identical, but the value of its 4th quantum number must be different. For example, For first orbit, that is K cell, n is equal to 1, we have n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0, S is equal to plus or minus half, that is for the 1 electrons. Then n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0, S is equal to minus half for second electrons. This principle is called exclusion principle because it excludes the probability of accommodating more than 2n square electrons in an orbit. Then next question is very important from water. What is priming and what is foaming? Priming means when the boiler is being steamed rapidly, some liquid water particles are mixed with the steam. This process of wet steam formation is called priming. Wet steam means the particles which contain water particles with moisture. What is foaming? Foaming is the production of persistent foam or bubbles in boilers that do not break easily. Foaming is due to the presence of substance like oils. Then next question is, what is zeolites? Zeolites are crystalline, microporous, hardened, aluminosilicate materials with 3D structure. They are also called permutate. It is basically used to remove the hardness of water. Here, zeolite is used to remove the hardness of water. Then, what is lime soda process? The process is more suitable for removing temporary as well as permanent hardness from water. In this process, water is treated with calculated quantity of lime, that is calcium hydroxide, and soda, sodium carbonate. The contents are mixed well and the precipitates of calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide formed are removed. Lime soda process is carried in two ways, that is cold lime soda process and hot lime soda process. Next question is, mention the reasons for the formation of corrosion in the boiler. The formation of corrosion in the boiler is due to the following reasons. First, dissolved oxygen, dissolved carbon dioxide, and soluble salts. Next question is, what are the salts responsible for permanent hardness of water? The salts responsible for permanent hardness of water are sulfates and chlorides of calcium and magnesium. These are calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride, and magnesium chloride. Then I will discuss next question, what is soft water? It is that water which forms lather with soap solution in ethyl alcohol, that is rainwater, demineralized water, distilled water. These are called the soft water. Then what is hard water? It is that water which does not form lather with soap solution. तामाने हमें देखो पानी सहित जदि हम फेन भल न बारिव, that is the hard water. जो पानी रे फेन बेसी बारे साबुन फेन बारे, that is known as soft water. It does not form lather with soap solution. Instead, it forms body with white precipitates. It contains bicarbonates, chlorides of sulfate and sulfates of calcium and magnesium, that is seawater, river water, and pond water. These are the hard water. Tomorrow I will discuss another important questions. Kindly see my notes and kindly like my YouTube channels and subscribe. Thank you. जी तुम्हारे जो सेकंड सेमिस्टर पे केमिस्ट्री ये 2-3 दिन सब जाई पढ़ाना क्वेश्चन पके देबी, तो मैंने सीरियसली पढ़ा. अवश्य आई एम नॉट ए केमिस्ट्री टीचर, खाली तमरो भल भाई मु चिंता करी ए पढ़ाना क्वेश्चन दउची, तमे निश्चय पढ़ियो बोली आशा करा दउची. एवं प्रैक्टिस करो. थैंक यू.